Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change profile picture in 8 ball poll. So this is the snooker game. What gonna do, you will be just open your Play Store or the App Store and you will be just search for the 8 ball poll. So simply you will just download this game. So I will just open it and I will just show you how to change your profile picture in this game. So we will wait for the moment when it's connecting. So I will be on this dashboard on the main, and you will see in the top left corner option is the profile picture, and here is the option is the pencil icon on this profile with the boy. I will just tap on it. So from here you will be just change your profile picture, but it is not for free. It is for the like 50 coins this type. So when you just have the balance, I will just tap on it like this one, 250 coins, and we will wait for the moment. And I want to just tap on it and I will be just awarded. So let's see. And I will just tap on it for use it. So it will be using. So I will just go back and check my profile picture and here. So in this way, you will just have to change profile picture in 8 ball polls. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.